Hello children, I started the geography lesson now about Asia, largest continent and our continent. That one we are learning. Yes, no? Many topics we learned in that. Its physical setting, location, climate, natural vegetation. Yes, no? Rivers and lakes, everything we learned. Now, I am taking the major industrial regions of the Asia. Industrial regions, see children, continent is vast, but industrialization is very less. Development of industries are very less. In that, three famous countries are there which are well developed in the industries. They are called industrial regions. What is the meaning of that industrial region? I wrote on the board. See, an area dominated. Wait, children. An area dominated by industrial activities is called industrial region. That means if any area in that number of factories are there, number of activities are going on which are related to the industries, either packing, transporting the raw materials, sending the finished goods, whatever it is, the work is related to the industries. If such a works are going on in any particular area or particular region, means that is called as a industrial region. Here I wrote. Follow children. Dominate means mainly the industry will be there. Sometimes we will say, no children, it is an industrial area. What does it mean? That means in that area, number of industries are there. And whatever activities are going on in that area, they are related to the industry. So such area is called industrial area. Same thing, industrial region. So in Asia, there are three important countries which are called as a industrial regions. First one is Japan. You know children about Japan. All the electronic goods are from the Japan only. They are small continent, country, it is island, it is Japan. But they are very good in the industries, especially in the electronics. In the Japan country, again some cities are there which are well equipped with the industries. They are having more industries in that cities. What that city's name? Tokyo, that is capital city. Then Kawasaki, Yokohama, that is the three states in Japan, countries in Japan. They are having the more industries. Cities there. Japan is a country. This Kawasaki, Yokohama and Tokyo are the cities. These are the industrial cities you can say. Follow children? Yes. Next comes Japan. China. China is also most developed country in the matter of industries. Number of industries are there. So in the industrial cities in China is Beijing and Wuhan. Like that, many are there. Important one only I taken from the China. And our India. Our country is also called as the industrial region because in our country also we are having number of industries. Big, small and cottage industry. All the types of industries are having. Here we are considering only the big industries. Even in India also, number of big factories are there, industries are there. That cities where you will find in India means that is Hooghly, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Madurai, Delhi, Visakhapatnam, Thiruvananthapuram. These are the cities which are called industrial areas or industrial regions because in this city you get the number of factories, number of industries. For example, Bombay, I will take example children. Bombay, you know children? Bombay means what it is called? Commercial city it is. Number of factories are there, industries are there. All the types of industry you get. So whatever activities are going in Bombay, almost they are related to the industries only. Yes, no? These are the cities which we are calling them as the industrial regions. Follow children? Actually this topic is dropped from your syllabus. But for knowledge sake I taken this one. Okay? Yes. Next comes population of the Asia children. Take these points, take this definition also. I will write the population. population of Asia children, 96% of the world population is in the Asia only. Asia continent is most thickly populated continent. See children, 7 continents are there, but 60% of the world population is in the one continent only. Another 40% is distributed in another 5 continents, because Antarctica is not having population only, full of ice it is. Followed. And the density means children per square kilometer how many people are living in the country. That is called density. Followed. How to calculate this one means total population divided by total area. If you are doing this one means you will get the density. So it depends children on the weather condition, settlement place and all. Depending on the job facility and all, people will go on settling. So some areas are thickly populated, some are very less populated. So in Asia continent overall 96 persons in a per square kilometer. Very thick like this. So density is more. Then Siberia sparsely populated, means thinly populated. Why? Means it is having the very cold weather. Tundra place it is. Temperature will be very less. Because of that it is sparsely populated. Then deserts of Arabia, Iran, Thar, Gobi desert. These are all very less populated. This Thar desert is in India, China. Gobi is in the China. They are very less populated. Why? How will settle in the desert? Rainfall will be not there. Drinking water will be not available. How to settle in that? Sandy soil will be there. It is not convenient for the human settlement. So they are very less populated. Next comes India, Bangladesh, China, Japan. Still more are there children. That is Java, Thailand, Korea, Philippines, Iraq, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Malaysia, Colombia. These all countries are very thickly populated. All the facilities are available, and all these countries' name we are having in the textbook children. They are thickly populated because all the facilities are available in these countries. There should be convenient climatic condition. Weather should be suitable for the people. They must have the job facility and all. Then only they can settle there. This is available in all the countries, so it is thickly populated. In the deserts and Siberia it is not available, so they are thinly populated. Follow children? Take this point. Yes, see children, in the geography lesson, some statements will be there. You have to write reason for that. Okay, so what is that statement? See here, first one, Asia is called land of contrast. In the beginning only I explained this is. Everywhere there is a difference. Everywhere it is a contrast. Whatever it is, physical features, weather condition, skin color of the people, language, religion, food habit, dressing, rainfall, temperature, everything is different. Because of that reason only it is called as a land of contrast. Already I explained children. One more time I will read out this one. If you want, once or twice you watch the video children. Just 1 minute. Yes. It has, first reason, it has greatest variety of physical features, climate, vegetation, wildlife, soil, etc. Then, second reason, there is a diversity in language, religion and traditions. Third reason, there is an uneven distribution of population. That means distribution of population means, just I explained children, some countries are thickly populated, some are thinly populated. Very less population in some country, more population in another country. That there is also differences there. Because of these three reasons, it is called as a land of contrast. Okay? While teaching, I explained children, but one more time I am revising this one. Because separate name will be there due reason. I skipped this one in the notes, but we are telling this. Then Asia has wide variety of climate. Varieties of climate you get in the Asia. There is no matching of climate within the country also. Some states are having one type of climate, another state is having a different type of climate. Why it is so? It is depending on the physical features. Followed mountain, forest, rivers, deserts, all this one. So reasons are children, Asia is vast country. That is the first reason. Second one, latitudinal extent is different in different place. Got it? Latitude, Tropic of Cancer and Equator, these are called latitudes. Where they are passing, according to that one you get the climatic condition. Equator is passing means it will be hot because sun rays will fall directly in that. And in evening time it will rain. You will find thick forest and weather condition will be good. Then different physical features. Just I explained children. Some are having desert, some are having forest. Because of this reason also, this climate is changing from place to place. Then monsoon winds. That also I explained children while teaching the climate. If monsoon winds any country is receiving means it will get the rain. For example, from the Indian Ocean, if winds are blowing, Bay of Bengal, from the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, any winds are blowing means that monsoon winds, they carry the moisture, it will cause the rainfall. But Central Asia will not receive the monsoon winds because in between Himalaya is there. So it will not receive the rain like that. So it depends on the monsoon winds also. Follow children? Yes. Now third one, just to explain the industrial reasons. See children, very vast continent it is, Asia means. But I wrote only 3 countries as the industrial reason. Some are there but they are not so developed one. Why it is so? Even they are also getting many minerals. Even though industrialization is very less comparing to North America, South America. They are very well developed in the industry, not Asia. Why it is so? Reason is, first one children, in Asia, the population engaged in agriculture is more. Most of the people, nearly 70% of the people are engaged in the agriculture. Industries means children, educated people we need, skilled people we need. But that is very less in Asia continent, throughout the continent, not only in India children. Got it? Then, science and technology development is very less. The development of science and technology comparing to North America, South America, Europe, it is very less children. That also one of the reasons. Third one, lack of capital investment. Industries means very big building, heavy machineries, large number of people you need. For all this one, we need the huge amount, very big amount it is required. But in Asia continent, it is not available because people are not so rich and the facility to get the finance also not so good one. They are not easily available. You can ask your parents how much risky it is to take, troublesome it is to take the loan and all. Many documents you have to produce. While repaying the payment of that loan, you have to pay the interest like this. So getting finance is also difficult in the Asia. Got it? Yes. Then conservative attitude towards the industrialization. That means, see children, Indian tradition means how it is. If father is a farmer, then son also he want to be a farmer only. If father is look after one shop, father aims that his son should look after that shop after him. They will not think about the industries, development of industry, establishing the new industry. They will not go for all this one. That is also one of the reasons for the less industrial regions in Asia. Followed children? Yes, orally I explained this one. Once or twice you are listening this means it is clear for you. Now lesson over children. Agriculture is there. That one skip here. Agriculture means what children? Just I told, most of the people are depending on the agriculture, number of cereals and pulses we are growing in the Asia, and agriculture productivity is very less. Why means we are not using any fertilizer, pesticides, that one hybrid seeds we are not using, and farmers farm is very less. The area is very less. Small holdings it is called. These are all the reasons why we are having less productivity. Followed children? Yes. Lesson over. Now I will put the notes. Sorry, homework. Yes. See children, the questions I given. Which are the sparsely populated parts in Asia? That means which part of Asia is less populated? Siberia, Eternal, Iran, Iraq, Thar Desert, Gobi Desert, and all that are correct. Name the main industrial regions of Asia: Japan, China, India. Then Asia is known as land of contrast. Give reason. Just I explain the reason of children. That you are correct. Okay? Yes. Enough for today. Thank you.